Assalamualaikum and good day. This video I will present introduction for NTPN Holding Berhad. We'll dive into the strategic landscape of the NTPN Holding Berhad, a company specializing in the paper-related products such as tissue paper, toilet tissue, serviettes, and napkins. Their guiding philosophy revolves around the principle of having a heart, continuous learning, progress, and service. Our exploration began with a SWOT analysis. We identify NTPN strengths, areas where they excel, and their weaknesses which require attention. Additionally, we consider external factors, the opportunities to capitalize on, and the threats to mitigate. Next, we turn our attention to a broader environment. Through a PACE analysis, we assess a political, economic, social, and technological factors. Simultaneously, Porter 5 Force model helps us gauge industry competitiveness, considering aspects like a supplier and buyer power. Strategy takes center stage, leveraging strengths and opportunities, and TPM aims to address weaknesses and strengths. The goal, alignment with a strategic direction that ensure ongoing growth and improve industry performance. Lastly, we emphasize assessment and control. How do we measure success? Regular evaluation and adjustment are essential to maintaining the organization trajectory. In conclusion, NTPN strategy choice matter. Let's navigate this path together, ensuring sustained growth and industry excellence. I will continue to issue facing by NTPN Holding Berhad. Firstly, in 2022, NTPN Holding Berhad faced a significant challenge when it issued a profit warning after experiencing a staggering 93% drop in the net profit for the first quarter, ending July 31st, 2022, resulting in a mere 1.08 million. The company attributed this decline to several market-related factors. Rising costs of labor, raw material, transportation, and fluctuation in the US currency have put the immense pressure on their profitability. Additionally, the cost of electricity and other raw resources such as palm has surged internationally, leading to decreased margin. NTPN Holding Berhad now grapples with a strategy dilemma. How to sustain profitability amidst escalating input costs, balances market condition, competitor pricing, and their own market share become crucial. As they navigate this challenge, strategy decision will play pivotal role in their future success. Secondly, NTPN Holding Berhad faces a critical issue: low brand recognition. Unlike its primary rivals such as Primer and Royal Gold, NTPN's name lack widespread familiarity, especially in the tissue paper goods market. The root cause lies in the inadequate funding for the marketing and advertising initiative. As a result, sales and profitability have declined, making it challenging for the NTPN to attract a new customer and retain existing ones. Insufficient brand awareness hampers the company's ability to differentiate itself from competitors and command premium price, ultimately impacting its overall financial performance. For the third issue, NTPN Holding Berhad faces a critical challenge due to its heavy reliance on the tissue paper business. By 2022, this segment is projected to contribute a staggering 95% of the company's total revenue. However, this excessive dependence on the single product category poses a significant risk. NTPN become highly vulnerable to the fluctuation in the tissue paper market, whether due to the technological advancements, economic downturn, or shift in the consumer demand. Such external factors can directly impact both the demand for the cost of tissue paper goods. Unfortunately, NTPM primarily focus on the tissue paper limits its exploration of new development avenues and diversification into the other market segment. Consequently, the company faced a constraint in the expanding its income and diversifying its portfolio. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter, Izudin, to present recommendation 1.
Thank you, Afiq. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and such an amazing day to Doctor. Today, I will continue our presentation regarding the recommendation 1. So, to ensure the long-term sustainability of its stage in the market, NTPM Holding Berhad needs to conduct a thorough assessment of its internal processes and strategic management of resource. According to the VRIO analysis, NTPM has experienced period of significant success, especially in 2021, but subsequent fluctuation in ROA, ROS, and ROE raised concern about the company's ability to consistently create value and the viability to of its competitive advantage in the long run. NTPM should conduct this assessment to address the issues. From the beginning, the organization must successfully identify and use its valuable and distinctive resources. Profitability increase of this magnitude in 2021 imply the availability of unique capabilities of resource. However, their long-term variability is uncertain. NTPM should spend in understanding and strengthening these resources to keep them scarce and difficult to copy, including ongoing innovation, strategic collaboration, or exclusive agreements that strengthen the company position in the marketplace. Next step, the organizational efficacy is critical to sustaining a competitive advantage. In 2023, the negative ROA, ROS, and ROE reflect inefficient in asset utilization and overall management. NTPM should prioritize projects that improve operational efficiency, asset utilization, and process simplification. This might entail introducing new technology, improving employee competency through training program, and allocating resources based on best practice. The fall in inventory turnover in 2022 shows possible inventory management inefficiencies. To make improvement, NTPM should perform an in-depth investigation of its inventory management and supply chain methods, utilizing advanced inventory management system, employing just-in-time procedures, and cultivating a greater sense of supplier engagement may all improve inventory turnover. So that's all from me. I will pass to Safwan to continue the recommendation 2.
Hi, thank you, Zudin. I will continue with recommendation number 2, that is address dependence on goods price through green and sustainable initiative. As we know, recently, people behavior had changed and become more concerned about green and sustainable practice. This is why NTPM also need to approach this opportunity and be more committed to implementing sustainable practice that will help NTPM to reduce dependence on volatile raw material and use recycled material to process their product. So what can NTPM do to grab this opportunity? Yes, this is some way. First is NTPM can invest in R&D department, research development, to help them create new way to use less energy and make production process better, cut down on waste and use energy more efficiently. Other than that, increasing operational efficiency may lower production costs and reduce operating costs over time, which enable NTPM to offer lower price to their customer. Next, NTPM also can do collaboration and partnership because it can help them to save costs by putting an emphasis on reusability, recycling, and refurbishment, such as partnership with waste management company can establish the, the new process, the new way to recycling product to recycling waste to make their product. And for the next few years, as sustainability becomes more important to consumer when they decide what to buy, business that use eco-friendly methods can attract a larger group of people. This lets NTPM companies to produce more goods quickly, and maybe they can offer lower price to stay competitive from their competitor. Alright, I will pass to my friend Umar for the next presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Safwan. I will present the recommendation 3. So, for strength portfolio diversification, NTPM can take advantage of the robust product line by spotting and profiting from goods that are in great demand. Examine consumer trends to launch novel, eco-friendly products. Also, NTPM can use the well-established brand to increase business on market share. To keep the NTPM brand relevant, NTPM needs to think about tactics like expanding into new market or extending its product line. NTPM can sustain research and development expenditure to remain ahead of market developments. To justify shifting customer expectation, the business needs to concentrate on creating items that are in line with eco-friendly and sustainable objectives. Next, for environmentally friendly energy, NTPM needs to highlight the technology environmentally friendly features in the marketing campaign. Take into account affiliations or certification that demonstrates the business dedication to sustainability. For the winners of NTPM can create a strategy plan for growing internationally, determine target markets, set up routes of distribution, and modify goods to satisfy the unique requirements of global customers. NTPM can also use efficient cost management techniques such as negotiating long-term contracts with suppliers and looking into substitute materials. So, in conclusion, NTPM Holding Berhad need to direct its strategic efforts to be in line with the dynamics of industry trend as well as take advantage of the potential available to reduce weaknesses and overcome the threats faced. Applying a strategy focused on continuous innovations, sustainable practice, and strategic collaboration will enable NTPM to strengthen its competitive positions. That's all from us from Group 11. Thank you for listening to our presentation.